Today we're going to be reviewing this wireless doorbell that the brand was kind enough to send it over. And let's go ahead and open it up. And it's going to come with this manual right here. And it tells you all the specifications and also tells you how to pair it. And you can either use the double-sided tape that came to hang it, or you can use the screws that it comes with to screw it into the wall, just to be, secure, really secure. And there's that. And this is the receiver here. You're gonna plug this into the wall, and you can see here it has, you can change the different chimes on there. It has 38 different ones, and you can push this button to pair it, and you can also change the volume on it. It goes up to 120 decibels, which is really loud, and very useful because sometimes you are in another room and it's really hard to hear things, especially when there's a lot going on in the house, right? So there's that part right here, and then we also have the transmitter here. And what instantly caught my attention about this, and that I really love, is that once you click it, it makes that noise, that clicking noise, letting you know that you pushed it. And I love this because there's times where, there's doorbells that are like touch, or you barely push it and you don't know if you actually pushed it or not. You don't know if it actually rang on the other side or not. So what I like about this is when you push it and it's loud, and once you push it, you'll know that you pushed it, right? So again, this is the back part. You can use the screws to screw it in, and it comes with the double-sided adhesive, and I believe it comes with the screws right here.